LED lighting, new technology, energy saving. These are the three key points that will change the lighting in Scotland in the future. Morning, my name is Gavin Bradley and I work for a company called James M. Anderson. We are a street lighting and renewable energy specialist distributor, and we've been in existence for more than 40 years now. I'm here this morning to present to you a new LED energy saving retrofit tray for street lighting. In 2014, the Scottish Government announced that they intend to change all street lighting in Scotland to LED lighting by the year 2018. The main aim is to reduce carbon emissions, reduce energy consumption, and therefore reduce energy costs. To give you a quick overview of the task at hand, there is roughly 950,000 lighting points in Scotland. The size of the project, as well as the monetary value for each of the 32 local authorities to achieve this task, is huge. The councils will look to buy brand new LED luminaires through various fundings, Green Bank, Salix fundings, amongst others, but there will also be scope to look at different options to replace the existing lighting. This, as a company, gave us an opportunity to come up with a cost-effective but energy-saving and highly reliable LED lighting solution. We identified that one of the largest lighting points that needs to be changed is the orange SOX, or as the industry calls it, the low-pressure sodium 55-watt SOX lanterns that's basically outside everybody's house. These lights start up when they get switched on at night with start with a red color and then turn over to an orange color. These light up all secondary roads as well as car parks and residential areas. So, in partnership with Philips Lighting, we have designed and patented a 31-watt LED retrofit plate. This LED plate will simply retrofit into the existing lantern and all 55-watt SOX lanterns out in the market to date. There are several main benefits using our LED tray, and to highlight just two of the main ones is not only are we cutting the energy consumption from 78 watts to 31 watts, but we're also using the existing lantern and only changing the internal mechanics. And this is because the existing lantern out there is made from an aluminium base, and even in the worst of Scottish conditions, this doesn't degrade. This hopefully will save the councils a lot of money and a lot of time changing it all. Highlighting the key differences between the existing SOX lantern out there and using our LED tray is as follows. Like I said, the power consumption of the 55-watt SOX is 78 watts. Our tray is 31 watts. The energy costs dictated by the Scottish companies out there is roughly 12p per unit, and the running time of these units per year is roughly 4,130 hours, making the energy cost per unit at £43.12. Using the same figures and using our LED tray, the cost is £15.36. This is a substantial cost saving that the councils can recoup and use in different avenues. High maintenance. We think the SOX lantern is very high maintenance, and the reason is that in the SOX lantern you get the control gear, you get the capacitor, the igniter, and the lamp. And the guarantee given by the manufacturer for these is 3 years, but these could fail at any time. We think our LED tray is no maintenance or very low maintenance, and again the reason is there's only two components, the LED board and the LED driver. And with Philips, these have been tested for more than 60,000 hours, giving it a very low or no maintenance factor. The guarantee factor. The guarantee factor from the manufacturers from the SOX luminaires is only 1 year. Our guarantee factor is 50,000 hours. And depending how you run this could be between 10 and 12 years guarantee. Lastly, the SOX lantern is a gradual yellow light that eventually goes to what its full power is. Ours is an instant white light. Having done our product research, we believe that we have the most reliable product because we are using Philips components and the most cost-effective product. The Sky LED gear tray gets manufactured by James M. Anderson and in Scotland with no outsourcing, in this keeping it a very Scottish product. We even have named it after a Scottish island, Skye, again giving it a very Scottish feel. With the small success that we've already had, we've managed to employ 2 other people and with to help with manufacture and distribution of our LED tray. With thanks to South Lancashire Council, East Renfrewshire Council, Angus Council and the Northern Ireland districts, we have several trial schemes on the go and with only positive feedback from the public. The market opportunity in Scotland for the SOX luminaires is nearly 400,000 lighting points. We have sold to date 3,500 units through either direct sales or trial areas in different parts of Scotland and in Northern Ireland, and is very positively optimistic with getting majority of the SOX luminaires. We've invested roughly £20,000 getting our product developed and sold through private funding and grant funding. Our next step in the product future is to increase manufacture and hire at least 2 extra people, increase dedicated sales and the distribution of our LED tray. With this, we look at further investment of £50,000 for us to achieve a project target. I'd like to lastly thank everyone for taking the time to listen to my presentation, and I welcome any more questions afterwards. Thank you.